This is the 20th lecture of the Semantic SEO course. Basically, in this lecture, we will talk about the contextual flow and the contextual coverage. Contextual flow is explain what is the most important part of your article, or it is the method that you can distribute your importance of the article from any section to any section. In other words, for example, if I give your article to the AI and tell him that summarize this article, and they did not able to tell your main purpose of your article or the main attribute that you are targeting in a query network or the most important section of your article in a summarization, that means your hard work is wasted. To be able to explain both of these concepts, the focus that here we are using some certain type of attributes for the specific entity that is Germany. And while doing now, our main focus is on the location of Germany that you can see in this part. If you have not idea to maintain the harmony between these columns, you did not get the essence of this system. That means when you create or write this specific first heading, you think or sense your last heading. When you create this specific anchor text in a first, you think and sense all of your anchor text and this last anchor text. You have in your mind that you give the spaces and how much space you give with anchor text. And for example, according to these instructions, you have to change your specific question order. Sometimes you add or remove according to be able to understand more clearly. I make the visualization. For example, this is your document and this is your summary, that is general summary, and this is the attribute that you have go in a very deep, and these are the other attributes that you talk about in your article. Now most of the area of your article is covered by this specific attribute or this specific context. So if I give your article to the AI summarizer, they tell about this specific section. That is the main purpose of your article. But you cover here 49 headings and you tell the most important attributes at that place and also you are target in your query network. It means you are broke your contextual flow and you did not define to LLMs or the Google algorithms where my article is important and where not. And imagine you are linking from here. That means they would not pass the relevance or a prominence signals. This is also an important another SEO concept, that is talking, creating, verbalizing, or improving the knowledge base. And after verbalizing, you need to understand how to organize the information that lead to need of this course. And understanding this course will need to upgrade your thinking skills. One thing here is that after a point or until a point, the tools will help you. If you have a strong AI system, still you need to be distribute the output in a proper way. Last thing in this lecture is that you need to understand is our general summary have the two subsections. One is abstractive and other is extractive summary. These things will be explained actually once we start article generation, which mainly for authors rather than SEOs. Sections when we create extractive summary, still article is able to represent itself. If you are not able to create a proper summary or abstractive summary, that means article is have some broken points. Macro context will need to be touch all the subsections and we always justify our links according to the concepts that we are using.